blue dot is at what value on the number line? Okay, so we need to figure out each hash mark. Okay, so the distance from 6 to 10 is 4. So let me just copy this to the board. Okay, so if the distance from 6 to 10 is 4, it means that each hash mark is at intervals of 2. So this is minus 4, this is minus 2, and this is 0. Okay, we can, if each hash mark is at an interval of 2, so 1, 2, 3 hash marks. 3 times 2 is 6, so minus 6 plus 6 is 0. The blue dot is at what value on the number line? So here we see that the distance from minus 10 to minus 16 is 6, and the hash mark is halfway between the minus 10 and minus 16, which means that each hash mark represents a jump of 3, which means that here we are at minus 13 and minus 16. If we subtract another 3, we get to minus 19. Subtract another 3, we get to minus 22. You can also think about it like this. We have 2 jumps from minus 16 to the left, and each jump is of 3 steps, so of 3. So it means that from this point to this point we need to subtract 6, because each hash mark represents a negative 3 steps to the left. Okay, so we end up at minus 22. The blue dot is at what value on the number line? Okay, so here the distance from 3 to 9 is 6. So the halfway, so each hash mark is representing an interval of 3. So the direction is positive, so this is 6. And we need to find the value of the blue dot, and we need to make 2 jumps from 3 downwards. So this is 0 and this is negative 3. Okay, so here the distance from 9 to 13 is 4, which means that each hash mark represents an interval of 2, because halfway between 9 and 11 and 13 is 11, so this is a jump of 2 and another 2, we get to 13. If each hash mark represents an interval of 2, so it means that this is 13 plus 4 is 17, and this will be 15, so the answer is 17. And of course we go to the right, so the values are positive, so the answer is 17. Good. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I will move on to this section, intro to subtracting negative numbers, and I will do this practice, understand subtraction as adding the opposite. So I will see you in the next video.